Walmart app notifications can stop working when app permissions are disabled, notification settings are turned off, or the app is not syncing correctly with your device. By the end, you'll know the main fixes for Walmart app notifications not showing, and the steps to check your phone, app, and account settings. Start by checking your phone's notification settings. If notifications are blocked for the Walmart app, you will not receive alerts about orders, pickups, deliveries, or account activity. Open your phone settings, find the Walmart app, and make sure notifications are allowed. Next, check the notification settings inside the Walmart app. Some alerts are controlled through the app itself, so your phone can allow notifications while the Walmart app settings prevent certain alerts from appearing. If notifications are enabled but still not working, update the Walmart app. An outdated version can cause features to stop working properly, including alerts and account updates. You should also restart your phone after changing notification settings. A restart can refresh the connection between your device and the Walmart app. Another common fix is checking your internet connection. Notifications require your phone to communicate with Walmart servers, so a weak connection can delay or prevent updates. If you use battery saving settings, check whether your phone is limiting background activity for the Walmart app. Some devices restrict apps running in the background, which can affect notification delivery. You can also sign out of the Walmart app and sign back in. This refreshes your account connection and can fix syncing problems between your account and the app. If you are still not receiving notifications, reinstall the Walmart app. Removing the app and installing it again gives you a fresh app setup and can resolve problems caused by corrupted app data. Before reinstalling, make sure you know your Walmart account login information so you can sign back in. The main fixes are simple. Allow Walmart notifications in your phone settings, check alerts inside the Walmart app, update the app, and refresh your account connection if needed. If your notifications are still missing after these steps, contact Walmart support and explain which alerts are not working, such as order updates, delivery notifications, or pickup alerts. Open your phone settings first and check Walmart notification permissions. That is usually the fastest way to find the problem. Subscribe for more practical Walmart app fixes and simple solutions for common online shopping problems.